Hi, let's talk about current trends in Mexico. English is nowadays one of the most used languages around the world, and learning it has become a necessity in case you want good jobs opportunities. Thanks to that, teachers and educational systems had to improve and to think about what the world needs. Here's 5 of the main topics that you need to learn about. Mexican education reform, privatization, bilingual education, standardizing testing, and the use of technology to facilitate learning. We'll talk about each one of them, their pros and the cons. Let's start with Mexican education reform. One of its perks is to upgrade the level of education in all areas, including English. But one disadvantage is that most of the teachers don't want it because they are not well informed. Next, there is privatization, which refers to private schools in general. They have a very good level of education, but most of their schools are very expensive and not everyone can afford it. When it comes to bilingual education in schools of Mexico, they only have from 3 to 5 hours per week of English exposure, and they are used to hear English in those hours only. But most of the times, teachers are not well prepared and they do not have a good level of English. About standardizing testing, they are useful to know how much your students know about any topic, and there are different types of evaluation. But at the same time, we still haven't fit all types of learners, and we don't know how to test each of them, which can be a big problem. The use of technology do really facilitates learning. With the use of projectors and even using online courses for our students, it helps a lot. But as everything, this has a big downfall. Not all of the students in Mexico are able to afford technical help like a computer, and also not all of the schools comes with that type of technology. All of these current trends are important in Mexico, and all of them have a bright and a dark side. But this can help us to think about possible solutions in each situation and also show us which are helping to improve our level of education here in our country.